Oh, hey, Russ. We're glad to have you back in the video.
Boom.
Ow!
Northwest Bronco Roundup has always been a highlight of the year. From sitting it in the dunes, cruising the beach,
And getting buried in the sand.
it's unlike any other Bronco event out there.
But this year, we wanted to do something a little bit different.
Today, Russ and I will be learning how to drive 3 on the tree.
Which is what your great-granddaddy used to drive.
That's right, folks. We've also got a special guest for today's video, but before we dive into that, we gotta make you guys aware that at the end of this video, we will be announcing a giveaway.
Quick hint, you will need to be subscribed, so you might as well take care of that right now.
With that said, sit back, relax, book that pedicure, and make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video to see how you can be entered to win a Yankum Ropes recovery kit. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, our co-host for today's video, give it up for Keisha Folds. Snap out of it. This isn't Light Bright Nation, okay? Alrighty folks, so after a long and strenuous hunt, we have finally tracked down a rig that actually has a 3 on the tree, and it is none other than Keisha. You've seen her in a lot of the videos, one of the baddest Bronco babes on the planet. Keisha, we got a question. Have you ever taught anybody how to drive 3 on the tree?
I have not.
Perfect, that's exactly what we're looking for in today's video. So with that said, I say we hop in the driver's seat and see if we can't just figure this out.
All right, well before that, a word from our sponsor.
Wild Horses Bronco Shop and Barber Shop. Wild Horses Bronco Shop and Barber Parts. How can I help you?
That was really good.
At Wild Horses Barber Shop, we cut hair with customer service.
Just like Wild Horses
Just like
4x4.
Wild Horses 4x4. Hit the subscribe button.
You heard it here first, folks. Shop wildhorses4x4.com. Book yourself an appointment in the hot seat. Get you faded up like that. Ooh! Anyways, we know what you guys are here for. Get back to the video. Always consider myself a pink kind of guy. My feet even reach the pedals, dude. What do we got here, Keisha? What do we got going on? Anything special?
Just a 3 on the tree, you know?
Yeah, the usual day-to-day stuff.
Yeah.
I do know how to drive manual. Obviously, this is our main point of concern.
You want to make sure that's neutral or, you know, push the clutch in when you start it because these old boys can start up in gear.
To be completely honest, I would have assumed this gender was a girl.
The audacity!
So we're in neutral, that's fine. Should I just start it up?
You can just start it up.
Might as well. That went well.
You can't even start it. You want to drive it?
How embarrassing.
If I stall this thing, the internet can have a heyday.
A lot of old guys are too rough with their shifting. That's why they break their linkages.
You guys need to remember that.
Yeah.
Take notes, I'm taking notes.
If you're gentle, you don't bind or break your linkages.
Okay, well let's throw it at first. We successfully didn't stall it. So now we just have to like get into second. That wasn't awful. We didn't stall.
It rides like a brick.
Like an early Bronco? Okay, well let's downshift. I got my first downshift kind of, sorta.
Yeah, that was good.
Gosh, it takes so long. See how quick you do that, because that's just like such a weird thing.
You're one of like, I think 5 people that have driven my Bronco.
That's trippy. I definitely feel like a loser. I feel that now without having anything to gauge off of. So I feel like we should switch real quick. You show me how to drive this thing, and then we'll see if the little brother could do any better.
Yeah. I'll show you how you really drive.
Let's do that. Oh, you almost stalled it there. I felt that.
No.
My instructor has never been in the sand, and yet she's teaching me to drive in the sand. That's what I was expecting to do the whole time. For those of you guys who don't remember Russ has been a fan favorite for quite a while. We roped him into Northwest Bronco Roundup, and we're gonna see if he can drive stick not only better than me, but we'll see if he can become the master.
We'll see.
We do not grant you the rank of master.
I think the first time we met was at Supercell West, and you got in here. You were like, okay, this is an automatic. Why do you have a clutch pedal?
Idiot!
Okay, enough smack talk. Let's see if you could turn this thing on without stalling it, and let's see if we could get it into second gear. Perfect, okay, so that was easy. That's neutral. No?
Neutral's this. So you want to feel neutral this way.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so
Kinda like
this
when
is first. This is neutral.
Yep.
First. No, that's neutral. First. Second.
Nope. So straight towards you and up is reverse, straight towards you down is first, and then if it's in neutral and you go straight up, it's in second, third.
Let's give it a go. A little bouncier than it could have been.
You might not hit third.
Oh,
You're a little rough on the shifting, like you're a little aggressive.
Yeah. I think it's because of my Mustang.
You're gonna be a great old guy.
I'm gonna be a great old guy. Well, what does that make me?
I guess you're very feminine here. You fit the Bronco well. Not bad for either of you though.
All right, so at this point, the Creel Bros have officially drove a 3 on the tree. Why it took 24 years for us to do, mainly because the first probably 5, we couldn't even reach the pedals. I could barely reach the pedals now, but the thing that we want to know is who is better at it. You can be completely honest.
That's hard, because like you were softer on the shifting, so I think I would trust you more to drive it. Because I think
Nice.
you might break the linkages. You're a little aggressive.
If you were to ask a dude, they probably would have said him. How did it feel driving a pink Bronco?
A pink Bronco?
You liked it, huh? I did too.
I definitely loved it.
But honestly, you both did great.
You're a good teacher, Keisha. I would say this, it was not as complicated as people make it out to be. I mean, it makes sense. For us, I say it was a success. Am I ever gonna drive 3 on the tree again? Only in Keisha's Bronco if she lets me. Keisha, thank you so much. That's it, folks. And there we go. I think that's where our audience retention completely plummets. I have no idea what to do now. You want to do more donuts?
Donuts, man.
Let's do some more donuts. And there we go, folks. That is a wrap to this video, although I'm sure you enjoyed all of that. Now the moment you guys have all been waiting for, and that is how to enter the Yankum Ropes giveaway. Before we get into that, one last big shout out to Keisha for helping us with this video. Shout out to Russ for being in the video. And shout out to Yankum Ropes for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring the epic kit that we will be giving away. So for this giveaway, we're going to be giving away a 7/8 by 30 foot Yankum ropes. This is a kinetic rope. It's one of the best things you need, one of the best tools to have out in something like the sand, in a plethora of other activities that you could be doing. You are going to want one of these in your tool/recovery kit. On top of that, they will be giving 2 of their soft shackles for you. These are a great tool. They're very safe, very effective. On top of that, they will also be giving away a bag to carry all of this in. So if you want a chance to win that, all you have to do is comment down below. That simple, folks. We're not asking much of you. Shoot a comment down below. You guys are gonna have a month from the day this video is posted to enter. We'll be doing this across a bunch of videos, so make sure you watch those as well. The more you comment, the more chance you have of winning. So if you want a chance at winning some Yankum Ropes recovery gear, make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. You do have to be subscribed. Why wouldn't you? We're putting a lot of work into these videos, and we would love to have you become one of the horsemen. So there you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. And with all of that being said, we will see you guys out there on the trail. Peace!